Hello, today I'm making guacamole. For this recipe, we are gonna need avocados, tomatoes, chili peppers, onion, garlic, coriander, and a lime, or lemon. The most important thing is making sure to use ripe avocados. Only with ripe avocados can you achieve a buttery texture and the correct taste. Dice the onion into small cubes. Do this by making horizontal and vertical cuts along the onion half. And in the end, cut in slices across the onion. Mince the garlic into tiny pieces, or use a garlic press. Since it won't be cooked, larger pieces would feel too strong to the taste. Remove most of the seeds, stems, and ribs of the chili peppers. Otherwise, the guacamole would be too spicy. Dice the tomatoes. And chop the cilantro. I prefer the texture to not be completely smooth and to have a few small pieces of avocado here and there. If you want the guacamole to be smoother, just mix it for longer. Add the avocado and everything else into a bowl. Also add half a teaspoon of salt and the juice of 1 lime or lemon. Mix everything with a fork. Serve it with your favorite Mexican dish or with tortilla chips. Like and subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. There is a new one every other week. Also let me know which other recipes you'd like to see, and thanks for watching.